People say this is the age of competition. Everywhere you look, there is a race to be on top of the list. This disease has become so much engraved in our society that everyone feels proud and happy to say that they are competitive. But the most important factor which most of us are overlooking in this madness is the state of our inner being. Are we happy? Are we in peace? Are we really satisfied with our work? People define the success of anything by its result. And in my opinion, that is the dumbest thing to do. Yes, results do matter. But to make results the ultimate parameter is the closest example I can think of to transform humans into nothing more than machines with flesh. But all this doesn't mean that you should not try to be better. All I am trying to say is this is not the age of competition. Instead, this is the age of being the best version of yourself you could have ever been. In human life, success is not in the results. It is in the journey. It is the experience and learning you gain in the process, not necessarily in the finishing line. If you feel happy by being on top, if you enjoy everyone to be below you, then that also means that you don't like someone else going ahead of you. Well, that's not being mature, that's actually being sick and jealous. But it is also true that without a parameter to compare against, we won't be able to track our progress and go ahead of our current state. That is why there exists self-reflection. If you truly need some parameter to compete against, then compete with yourself. Try to be better than how you were yesterday. If that process eventually results in you coming on top, then that is self-progression, not competition. In today's world, you can be ahead of someone next to you or be on top of the list. But still that doesn't mean you are the best version of yourself, in which case you are ultimately a failure. If you are measuring at a global level or in a very wide range, at any given moment you don't have the vision or the medium to check what the best outcome could have been in any given task. So it's futile to compare ourselves with the very limited number of results we get in front of us. It's nothing more than satisfying our own ego. But if you can make sure that today's result is the best version of yourself till this state, then that doesn't need any comparison with anyone else to be successful. Everyone has their own potential, their specialties and challenges in life. To perform the best we can at any given time is the only true measure of success and growth in one's life. Today, people also use inhuman and immoral means to push others downwards so that there won't be any competition to begin with. Also, being in a state of continuous chasing to be a topper ultimately makes the life restless, unhappy, and full of regrets in a long term. So, it's up to us to decide whether we define our success based on the position of our name in a sheet of paper, or do we value inner peace, happiness, at the same time making sure that we are the best version of ourselves we could have ever been, and we have given our heart and soul for this.